Oh, and this is Skip Jeffries coming from the garage here. Monday night, got a vacuum cleaner here, I guess. Wife says it doesn't suck, so we'll see what's going on with it. Preliminary test, I think we've got suction on this thing. I think the big issue is it may be clogged somewhere in the system itself up in here is what I'm thinking. I've got suction going straight to the pipe down here. So I'm going to see if we can open this thing up. And as you can see, let's zoom in here. A little bit of a hair problem going on here. All right, let's see if we can cut away some of this. Never thought I'd say myself giving the vacuum cleaner here a haircut. Well, it's been a while. Yeah, I mean, the main objective here is just to see what kind of shape this sucker's in and whether or not we need to drop the money and actually get another vacuum cleaner. We've had this one for a couple of years now, probably I think after we bought the house, so we've been in here since 2024, so you talk about 12 years. And I've replaced filters on this thing, belts, and it looks like it's spinning, so maybe if we clean off some of this hair, and we'll take a look at to see if we can get that tube off. Yeah, give this thing a buzz job, but that's just nasty. I don't know what categories we do this under. Things my wife makes me do, or do yourself repairs here. That's just clogged in there. Ooh, there she comes. That's just gross. This will make you want to take a shower after getting done with it. I think a lot of that hair probably got into, and you're talking like almost a fistful of hair there, and we're not even a quarter way done. Oh, that's just nasty. See if we can get Mr. Pick involved. Looking at the condition of this roller here, I'm half tempted to drop the $200 and get a new vacuum cleaner. Probably should have a mask on, a little bit of dust kicking up here. This ain't dog hair, folks. This is definitely one of those jobs that constitutes another fistful of hair. Taking a shower after you're done. That roller seems to be a little gummed up with some hair, maybe. I might have to read the owner's manual on how to get into that thing. Alright. See if there's a way we can pop this thing off. You would think there'd be a way of twisting that. Oh, I see the problem. Yeah, this thing's, it's done. I think it's time for a new vacuum cleaner. I'm not going to buy another hose, so. Well, that made that things easy. Didn't even have to open that sucker up. But yeah, we'll probably end up heading to the store, getting a new vacuum cleaner here. This, I can see here is that hose is shot. That's why she ain't sucking anymore. I guess you could probably duct tape that thing up. Maybe if you could actually wiggle it loose. Oh, we might be able to. She's pretty clogged too. So I don't know if that comes off. If that comes off, we might be able to save her, but I don't think so. She's toast. That hole is pretty gnarly too. Yeah, I guess I'll give the wife I guess I call it good news, because I think we got our money's worth out of this thing. But anyways, ain't gonna be a repair now, but thank you guys for watching.